Hello and welcome to another JoomlaForBeginners.com video tutorial. My name is John, and today we're going to discuss migrating your content from your old Joomla 1.0 website to your brand new Joomla 1.5 website. We've had a lot of people request information and videos on how to do this, so we decided to put together a very basic instruction for beginners. Today we're using a tool called mtwMigrator. We'll include a link to the download. The author is working on this and he has a new version almost daily, so make sure you download the version that you need when you get there. We begin this process by installing a fresh copy of Joomla 1.5.4, and we've logged into the back end as Super Administrator. During the installation, we did include all of the sample data. We wanted to do that so that it also installed all of the sample modules and components. After we do that and we log in for the first time, the very first thing we do is start by going to the article manager and erasing and deleting all articles from the sample data. We're also, after that, we go to the trash manager and we make sure that we've emptied the trash so that there's nothing there. We repeat the process next with the category manager, deleting each category, and the section manager, deleting each section manager. From there we go to each menu and we select every item on each menu, we delete them as well, and then we move on to the menu trash and we empty the menu trash. So we have fresh Joomla 1.5.4 installation with basically no sample content. If we go glance at the way this looks, yours would look something similar to this. We're going to hop back over here, and the first thing we need to do is install our mtwMigrator component. We begin by going to the extension install, uninstall, and then we browse our hard drive. This is version 0.0.1 we're choosing, and we're going to upload the file and install it. And it shows that our component was installed successfully. Next thing we'll do is go to the component pull down menu and look for the mtwMigrator. The author's name is Matt, by the way. We'll scroll over to the right so you can see how Matt's designed this screen. We're going to scroll back. First thing we'll do is go into the configuration. And the mtwMigrator is asking us for the database information on our other server. We simply fill this in and we save our results up here to the right. We fill that information in and we're going to choose Save. That brings us right back here, and simply start migration is where we want to begin. We can see that migrate, everything looks okay. We have backed up the old tables. It migrates the users, our sections, our categories, all of our content, the content on the front page, the module of menus, the menus, and the user modules. So before we take a glance at it, we should look at what the old website looks like. This is what it looks like. Remember, we're just trying to get the content moved over without keying it in. And we come here, we'll go to the front page and we'll refresh our screen. Now we can see that all of our content has been brought over. Everything we want. We'll have to redo our menus, but they're all going to be there. If we go, when we choose to look at the main menu, for example, every single menu option is now there. We look at the article manager. Every article that was on the other website is now there. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. It's pretty basic, something you can do, and again, just make sure you back up all of your data before you try something like this. See you soon.